Alright, I'm going to show you what comes in the Stinger 8-pack rock light kit and the 12-pack kit. First thing that comes in a separate container is the cigarette lighter adapter, power module, the Bluetooth RGB control module, the remote control, and nicely packed. One box. You're gonna have 3 rock lights, the rock light whips, extension cables, and then your mounting pads. So in the pads comes with all the hardware. Have a curved pad for your roll bar, then a flat pad for your underbody installation. So you have 3 of those in there. Rock lights, 2 more extension cables, 2 more pads, mounting pads. And you're gonna have 3 more rock lights, 3 more extensions, 3 more pads. That's what comes in the 8-pack. So when you order the 12-pack, essentially you're just going to get a 4-pack extension kit. It's going to have 4 rock lights, 4 whips, and 4 mounting pads. That is what comes in the 12-pack. So the 8-pack is going to have 8 lights, 8 whips, 8 mounting pads, a RGB control module, Bluetooth. Also, this hooks up to with the different adapter. This will hook up to your Stinger radio. You control the lights from the radio itself. If you do not have the Stinger radio, Heigh10, this power module can be powered via 12 volt or the 12 volt cigarette lighter with the barrel plugs. So there you go. That's what's in the rock light kit.
Then we're going to do what we did on one of the forward ones. Final position. Using 11/16. Take your light. Feed straight through the mounting pad. Through. Hardware. On backside. I'm just using a cutoff wheel to cut off the excess without cutting through the wheel well. Go. Alright, so what I'm doing on the side that's not going to have anything, I'm just putting the cap back on, the cap back on the plug, and I'm just taping it up. Just, you know, I know it's up inside the wheel well, but just want to make sure that no water gets in here. Going to connect the wiring that's going forward and running that before I put the wheel well back in place, because I don't want to have to go pull it down, pull it out just to get the wiring up there. Alright, before I tie up all the wiring, I wanted to just verify they're all the lights are going in the right way. Right now this is set on some little the amp mode on the app. So just gotta make sure all the lights are going in the right order. Because if I dimmed, I mean I'd have a light mounted backwards. We're gonna go check out the other side. Alright. It's too good. That was good. It's good. And that one's good. Whew, all right. Wrap up some wires and we should call it.
Stinger Enlight10 Rock Lights, they're done. Installed, wires tucked, wires put where they need to be, connected to the radio, app works, everything's great. Made it super simple to install. The app, all the features, I'm gonna have to show you because I mean there's so much that I can't even explain. But the plug and play features of the system, it's really nice. You just plug them together, twist connect, good to go. My application, not so much with the 12-pack. Not wanting to drill into the cab, so I had to make a couple standoff plates to put them to where, stand them off to where I wanted them. That was a little tricky, but I made it work. I'm happy with how everything turned out. Just waiting for it to get dark so I can see a little bit more how bright they are. But as of right now, I'm really happy with how everything turned out. So I'll show you some more of the features, and here we go.
One of the cool features of these Enlight10 rock lights is they integrate to the Heigh10 the radio. So on the menu screen you have the RGB. So basically you have you can configure your rock lights from here. So you just go click on the on button right here, and you have customizable what color lights you want. So that's pretty cool. You could even, it's really hard to see, there you go, but you can kind of pick whatever color you want. You can kind of scroll through different colors, whatever makes you happy. So yeah, there's a lot more features on the app, and I will go over that and I will show you those right now.
So on the Enlight10 app, you have quite a few different features you can go ahead and check out. So the first one, you go ahead and just push the power button, which turns your lights on. And there's just different features, different modes, different styles. You change those. You can change the brightness, change the speed, and there's even a function where you can hook it up to whatever music you have on your phone, and it'll go ahead and the lights will go with the music. So that's the app. You can customize it, you can make your own, build your own, but I mean there's quite a few, like at least 10 or 12, maybe 13 different features that go ahead and change for whatever you're looking for. So yeah, we'll go ahead and check this out, and then I mean these rock lights are pretty awesome. So far I'm pretty happy with what they're doing, the brightness of them. I mean, it's not even all the way dark yet, and just one light is pretty much lighting up everything. other thing, I mean, this thing is just chock full of features. So another thing that it has is the remote, and this basically connects to your radio from even outside. Right here, you can go ahead and turn it on, change the modes. I mean, just up and down, just change different modes. You can change the brightness, the speed. You can go just solid colors. The brightness, you can turn the brightness down, or brightness all the way up. And turn it off. So, just want to share that that part. There's just so many different little things on this system.